So let's take a look at another situation of factoring higher degree polynomials. We're going to take x to the fourth plus 5x squared minus 24 equals 0. So again, I suggest that you watch the previous video if you're having issues with this to kind of have a heads up as to what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so here I'm still going to do some u sub. I'm going to say let u equals x squared. Again, the reason I do this is because x to the fourth is really x squared squared plus 5x squared minus 24 equals 0. In other words, if u is x squared, then every x squared can be replaced by u. So now I have u squared plus 5u minus 24 equals 0. And we're back to algebra 1, and we just factor this out. So we ask ourselves, what times what is 24? Well, there's a lot of different things that work with 24. You can do 1 and 24. You can do 2 and 12. You can do 3 and 8. You can do 4 and 6. And I'm going to choose 3 and 8. And the reason why I'm choosing 3 and 8 is because 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay? So with that being said, now I can go through and I can factor it out. I'm going to have u plus 8 and u minus 3 equals 0. Because 8 minus 3 is 5. And 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Okay, finishing it off, we have u plus 8 equals 0 and u minus 3 equals 0. The reason this happens is because the only way that you can get something times something to equal 0 is if either that first thing, that first expression, that first binomial is equal to 0 or the second one is, right? So once we have that, we simplify. U equals negative 8, u equals 3. Again, we have to recall that we are not solving for u, we are actually solving for x. So if u is equal to x squared, all I have to do to finish this problem off is substitute in x squared for u. And then I solve. So this one is a no-go. You can't do anything there because when you take the square root of a negative, it doesn't work. But over here, you can take the square root, and x is going to equal to plus or minus square root 3. And there's my answer. Hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you all in the next video.